come aboard, let's get this rig BerleyPro equipped.
Righto, hello everyone. Today we're doing a fit out of some BerleyPro essentials for mine, JC's new Sportsman Centre console. And today we're starting off by installing a couple of side bros. Now I want the left hand side drilled and screwed in, while the other side of the console I've opted for silicon as we're doing a long-term durability test for you all. You can see we've marked out where the holes need to go using the backing bro as a template. Measure twice, drill once is a very good idea. You might note I've put tape over where the holes are to be drilled, and I'm running the drill in reverse briefly before actually drilling. These two things help a lot with avoiding chips in gel coat. Here we are screwing the supplied pan-held self-tappers in through the side bro, backing bro and into the helm of the boat. We've also fitted an optional tool bro to the side bro before installing it. It's much easier to do that first before final assembly. Okay, that is on nice and snug and is going nowhere. After sliding in some divided bros, here you can see the side bro loaded up with a lot of the gear I'd commonly want on hand. A few different stick baits or poppers for a quick change, pliers, braid scissors, some leader perhaps, and a brain spike if I'm planning on taking home a fish. How you set it up is really open to your imagination. Next, it's time to install connector protectors. Now you don't get to see a great view of that here. Now we do get asked about that quite a bit, and I'm going to do a separate video on that subject really soon. Now we move into the visor install. There are loads of videos on the BerleyPro channel showing the details of how to do this, so I'm not going into the details here. Just showing you the new model, the Simrad NSS 4 16-inch. She's quite a beast. I actually had to remove the Perspex windscreen to give me room to do this install, but no problem. Dust cover pops on and off fine, and everything is secure for some big road trips ahead. Our final install today is a Rooster Rooter transducer spray guard. Really simple to install, pretty much eliminates the transducer spray, which was actually quite bad on this boat. There's more to come soon in a month or two, but for now, it's time to fish.